Hi, my name is Laura and I work for Mentalab. Welcome to our Quickstart video. Today I will show you how to set up our mobile EEG device, Mentalab Explore, for the first time. First of all, we're going to need the device itself, of course. And here it is. It's quite small and easy to handle, as you can see. Secondly, we're going to need electrodes. And this is a 4-channel set of gel electrodes. We also have dry electrodes if you prefer. And we're also going to need a cap, of course. This one is size L. And to start, we're going to attach the electrodes to the cap. So to attach the electrodes to the cap, we'll just choose our desired position. For example, for the ground, I will choose this one and just attach the electrode like so. And do the same for the rest. Okay, so that's the electrodes ready. And now we'll attach the device with this little Velcro strap to the cap. There we go. Okay, and now let's plug in the electrodes to the Explore device. Okay, so this setup is now ready for use. As you can see, you can use this strap over the chin. You can also use it under the chin if you prefer. Okay, so now I'm going to use some Electrogel to improve the impedances. Let's start with the ground, for example, which I've set here. And now we'll do the same for the rest. Okay, so we've got the gel ready to go, and now I'm going to turn on our device by pressing the button. You can see the green light over here, and now it's blinking in blue, which means it's in advertising mode. And to check the exact impedance values, we're going to use our main API in Python, which is called ExplorePy, to see how good our impedance values are. So let's check that out. Okay, so as we could see, the impedances look good enough, so we're ready to visualize the signal. And we're going to do that in our ExplorePy API again. To record the data we're seeing at the moment, just click on this button, record, enter a test file name, and you're ready to go. Click on stop when it's over. Alright, so that's how you set up our Mentalab Explore device. There are many other functionalities our APIs offer, which are described in our documentation. Thank you for watching, and for more information, check out our website, mentalab.com.